got a box. We're not open. I do not have scissors. I'm not prepared. Screwdriver. Damn. I'm not very good at opening these. I'm gonna get scissors. Hold up. Nah. I don't need scissors. I'm built different. Oh yeah. I should probably do that side too. Okay. So this is a box. You wanna know what's in it? Dang. I swear I'm not weak. You wanna know what's in it? Oh my god. I'm about to emote, bro. Y'all can see me. Oh shoot, that's my address. I'll blur that out. Oh my goodness. Throw the box back there. Yeah! Let's go. This is, I'm gonna unbox the Switch too. Let's freaking go. Alright. I got the Mario Kart bundle. Mario. Let's open it. This is key. I've been waiting for this. Oh. Hold up. Peek. This is absolute cinema, bro. Ah. We got the Joy-Con. Ooh. Dog, it feels so good. Yo. All these buttons, the side buttons are nice. We got the red Joy-Con. Bro, it feels nice. Yo. Oh, that's low-key smart. This thing? This little button, it brings out this, which I'm guessing detaches it from the Switch. Obviously. These are nice. These are bigger than the old Switch Joy-Cons. Hold up, let me get my old ones. The old ones are tiny, and I got big hands. So, okay, we're gonna do a size comparison. Jeez. Look at that. Look at that. It's like half an inch bigger. Bigger this way too. That's cool. Oh, I forgot they were a mouse. They're a mouse. I can do that. And then, right one. Don't ask why I have 2 blue Joy-Cons. I have about 400 Joy-Cons. Okay. Holy airball. Okay. So we got the Joy-Con. Oh, these are nice, bro. Oh, wait, the screen is massive. Holy! Oh, dude, it's so clean, bro. You can see all the way. It's big, dude. It's big. Holy! What's up? My dog's here, dude. This is nice. What is that? I don't know. There's like fan stuff. You got the USB-C port for the camera. I didn't buy the camera. The headphone jack. I want to see what's in. This is the. Oh, that's so much better. You pull it from this side. Dude. That's cool. Look. So. Damn, you can. You pull it out. And then go like that, and then put the card in this. There's like a little sliver thing. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then you put it in, and then, oh, that's nice. This thing is nice, bro. Holy. Alright. Cardboard. There's stuff in it though. Oh, that's cool. Ta-da. Health and safety information. and user guidelines. Alright. HDMI cord. That's pretty cool. We're gonna set that up. We're gonna do some gameplay later in Mario Kart. Use HDMI cable. Oh, these things. These things. I have my old ones for my old Joy-Con right up there on my lamp. This is for the blue Joy-Con because it's blue. Oh my goodness. It just, oh, it's upside down. Just goes on like, just goes. All right. So it, oh, it worked. That was easy. This is for mouse mode, I think. How do you, oh, you click this button. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like it. We're gonna get the other one on. We don't need to spend too much time on these. This is the boring stuff. This is the cool thing. And these. I don't know what else is in here. Jeez, there's a lot of stuff. What did they give me, dog? Oh. So, brick for charging. And charging. Oh, I didn't show y'all the kickstand. Oh, it's nice. Perfect. And then you can, oh, this is peak, bro. Okay. Brick. Charging cord. Boring. Bowling. This. The Joy-Con grip. I want to put them on. Oh, they're magnet. I forgot that was the thing. They're nice. This is comfortable. It's pretty comfortable. Ta-da! It says switch to. And then you just click these buttons. Maybe. Oh yeah. Look at that. You gotta do some like actual force. It's not like easy to take off. What is this? Oh, I forgot this came with it. Ta-da. This is cooler. This is cooler than the other one. I'm gonna be honest. It's like curved and futuristic. Cool. Coolness. So, just the back come off so I can plug in the stuff. It says each dog I'm lost. Dog with the freak. Oh, it does. I'm gonna lose this. Okay. So that's all of it, I think. Let me check again. How does this go back on? Oh, it just snaps on. Alright, cool. Cute. Cool. Well, this thing's cool. I like this. Yeah, that's everything. Alright, let's set it up. Alright, while I was connecting to the internet, and bro, it didn't work. Okay, I'll do that later. It's a lot heavier than the old one. Okay? It's bigger. It fits my hands better too, which I like about it. Alright, just doing a system upgrade right now. 4 minutes. That was really easy. Setting it up. Gotta connect my account, and I think that's it. After this, the updated data is downloaded. And then we're gonna do some gameplay. Alright. System transfer. I need my Switch 1. It's at my dad's house. 10 minutes. Time lapse. Good transition, right? Alright. So I got the Switch. My Switch 1 is charging. It was dead. I haven't used it in a while. So I wanted to show you the mouse mode. It's pretty cool. So this is kind of hard to put on, I swear. So get this. So if I, yeah, okay. So you see it? It's pretty cool. You just move it around. Oh, it's mirrored, so it's harder. You just move it around, And then, cool. I haven't used it yet. I just noticed that I could do it on this, and I wanted to show y'all. Alright. There's a chance I'm going to be here for a while. My Switch 1 is not charging. It's been like 10 minutes. What the freak, dude? I literally just recorded that last part, and now it's charging. And it's on. Let's go. Alright. Let's go. Nintendo. Oh, wait. Banger. Yo, this is sick. Hold up. Oh, all the games are on here. So, where is it? Did. How do I get it? I'm either blind or it's not here. What the? Wait. What is this? What is it? Bro. Where is Mario Kart World, bro? Guys, I might be lost. This. Dude. Are we serious? Why does it say it's 2006? Hold up, I gotta look up how to get Mario Kart World. I found it. Yeah, cool. Download it. Okay. Let's go. Now it should be here. Alright. Download, how long? Dude. I'm gonna crash out if I have to do anything more. Alright. How long is it gonna take? Dude, what is it doing? Holy tweak. What? Oh my. Did. I'm gonna crash out. Okay? It says 3 hours. Bro. I give up. Alright, so I wanna get this video out to you guys as soon as possible. So I'm gonna upload this video and then we're gonna make another video showing gameplay Mario Kart World. Alright. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you. I don't know when the next one will come out. See ya.